Recently, Ukraine has received a new advanced and modern defense system. Back again with military report today, we will discuss the greatness of the SAMP that will be used by the Ukrainian forces. In terms of air and ground defense systems, since the beginning of the Russian invasion of Ukraine, Italy has also been very instrumental in helping Ukraine to provide combat tools such as the modern missile weapon SAMP. For several weeks, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky continued to call on allies in the European country and the United States to provide more air defense systems. In recent days, Russia has attacked energy infrastructure with missiles and drones in the city of Kharkiv, Ukraine's second-largest city in Ukraine's far east. Russian missile targets are increasingly concentrated on power supplies in Kharkiv. Air Defense System SAMP-T. How exactly is the capability of this system? The main role of the SAMP-T is to protect deployed forces, and this is an important asset, functioning to protect air defenses from enemy missile and drone targets. SAMP-T with a theatrical anti-missile system, designed to protect against battlefields and sensitive tactical sites, against all current and future air targets, including cruise missiles, drones and tactical ballistic missiles within 600 kilometers. The SAMP-T air defense missile system was developed by Eurosam, a company in cooperation with the French and Italian MBDA and Thales. The system has been used by the French Army and Air Force, as well as the Italian Army in 2011. The SAMP-T is also known as Mamba by the French Air Force. It is the cornerstone of Italy and France's contribution to the North Atlantic Alliance's tactical ballistic missile defense capabilities. It is known that today the French Air Force has 7 Mamba systems, while the Italian Army has 3 systems. Operational evaluation of this system has taken place in France and Italy with a series of successful trials. During the last launch on November 14, 2011, the SAMP-T system successfully intercepted the target representative of the ballistic missile. The SAMP-T, which has demonstrated its capabilities against tactical ballistic missiles, can also destroy enemy aircraft, as well as various missiles, including cruise missiles and anti-radiation missiles. This SAMP-T system can also destroy enemy large aircraft with a range of up to 120 kilometers, and the target range against ballistic and anti-radiation missiles reaches 15 kilometers. Missiles of 2 variants of Aster 15 and Aster 30, boosters point missiles towards the target, booster separates a few seconds after launch. Missiles with variants of Aster 30 can travel at speeds reaching 4.5 Mach in just 2.5 seconds. The SAMP-T fire control system, with the Arabelle multifunctional electronic scanning radar, and vertical ground launcher mounted on the Italian Aster Iveco truck, and the French Renault Carax 8x8 are capable of launching 8 missiles quickly. Each launch vehicle carries 8 missiles. Vertically launched missiles work 360 degrees. When aiming at the enemy with a high fire system, 2 launchers can fire 2 missiles at the same time in 0.5 seconds. The SAMP-T system can also be adapted to work. With a wide range of long-range radar detection range, it can reach 300 to 400 kilometers when using the Thales GM400 long-range radar. This SAMP-T launch vehicle can work at a distance of up to 25 kilometers from the radar vehicle, using Link 16 communications that comply with NATO standards. This air defense system consists of 4 vehicles, namely radar vehicles, missile launchers, control vehicles, commands, and mobile generators. It is also equipped with 2 trucks with hydraulic cranes and trailers, which carry spare missiles. All elements of this SAMP-T air defense system are fully mobile and can work quickly, which can change the location of operation up to several times per day. SAMP-T can operate in standalone mode, or it can be integrated in a coordinated network. These air defense systems can be coordinated by NATO command and control structures. This is the weapon of the latest modern version of high-altitude and medium-range systems to protect Ukraine and defend itself from targets of ballistic missiles and other means of combat of Russia. This air defense system is considered indispensable for Ukrainian forces, given that Russia is increasingly conducting targets into the air with missiles and drones during this time.